Hey, good morning, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Friday, August 8th. It's early. We really just look to unwind any positions. Actually, we just got out of New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and last night we were out of the euro to yen. So we gave the euro to yen signal again, probably an hour and a half or 2 hours prior to the move coming, and obviously it was based off of news, but we rocked it. We picked up a little over 44 pips on that trade, so 44.3 pips. And the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we took a loss of 5.1 pips. So overall 39.2 pips. So we'll take it and we'll move on. It's a Friday in the summer, you know it's going to be slow, so we're not even going to put capital to risk, and we'll move on till Sunday night and Monday. And same thing in anything that's going on in the equity world. Fridays are just routinely slow in the summer. So let's get to it. We just had those two trades like we mentioned. First one you're looking at here is New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We were long this 0.8466. Basically just pushed on the trade, felt like we got lucky on it really. I thought we were going to get stopped out, but we didn't. We came, probably about 15 pips from getting stopped out on it, but then as you see there, it reversed. We got out with a small loss of 5.1 pips, and it looks like right now it's headed back down. You know, it could very well come in. I mean, this could be forming on short term. I mean, this is just a 30-minute chart. But this could be forming a head and shoulders, where these tops are the heads. This is the first shoulder here on the left, and just created the second shoulder on the right. These highs are correlating with the highs of the other shoulder, and then the head is up higher. So it could be doing it. Granted, it's only a 30-minute chart, so if you're still in this thing, it could be working its way down. But you only give so much credence to a 30-minute chart when you're looking at formations like that, like head and shoulder. You know, they work better on longer time frames. Euro to yen, though, this was the one we gave the signal. We had given the signal probably an hour and a half or 2 hours prior to the move. You know, the move came last night around 9 o'clock. It was about probably 6:30. It might have been probably about 6:30, 7 o'clock on the East Coast here in the evening that we gave the signal. It was in this consolidation range. We didn't know which way it was going to go, up or down, but we gave signals for both sides of the coin. If you were listening in, I'm sure you received it. Hopefully you took advantage of it. Huge move down. We picked up 44.3 pips. We were looking to cover around the 135.82. It just blasted through the figure. Once we saw it blast through the figure, it was like, all right, let's just give it some time and see if we can cover around 80. We covered maybe a couple pips. We covered a couple pips ahead of that. Probably, or I was going to say maybe a little early, premature, because we could have covered 80, at the 80 number if we waited a matter of a few minutes, because it did drop all the way down to 72. So we'll totally take that trade. Like I said, we gave it to you an hour and a half, 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours prior to the move coming. It was clear it was going to go one way or the other according to the chart. Again, it was a matter of which way it was going to go, and news is going to make it move. News or big volume from a big buyer or a big seller is going to make it move. And in this instance, it was news from Japan that made it move. So we'll take it. We'll wrap it up for the week. It was a pretty solid week, and we'll move on. Like I said, till Sunday evening and Monday. Holding mostly cash right now. So we have nothing to fear over the weekend. We started Obama, United States. We started bombing in Iraq last night, but then he made the announcement last night. I'm sure you guys saw it, and we already started doing some bombings, and I guess we're going to continue. I don't think it really hurt markets at all. It didn't move much in the currency world, and I don't think it's really affecting the stock market either. So that's it. We'll wrap it up. Have a great weekend. Any signals come out, they'll be coming your way, obviously. And if you trade them, good luck to you, and have a great weekend.